Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to multiply and divide the fractions. Some of you who already know how to do them, I will recommend you can do them and then you can tally your answers with my answers. And if some of you who still don't know how to do them, I will do few questions for you. These are not very difficult. They look difficult, but they are not. So I'm just going to explain you the first question. The first question here, which is one over this question here is 1 over 2 times 5 or 4. So what we have to do is we'll just times the top one and times the bottom one. We do not have to make the denominator the same or anything. Remember, making the denominator the same is only in plus and minus questions when we are adding or subtracting the fractions. In these ones where multiply or divide, we do not need to make the denominator the same. So here what we do, we just times the top one times the bottom one. Very simple. So 1 times 5 is 5 and 2 times 4 is 8, and that's it. That's the answer. Simple. Now I can do question number 6 here. It's we time the top one and time the bottom one. So 1 times 5 is 5 over 4 times 3 is 12. Very easy, simple answer. Now here 10 times 11 is 110. And then we multiply the bottom one. So 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, this is one answer, but this is not the final answer because you see 110 and 18, we can still cancel them. We can still divide them, both of them. They both go on 2's timetable. So when we divide 110 by 2, so we get 55. And when we divide 18 by 2, we get 9. So your final answer will be 55 over 9. We can still change them into improper fraction, but we will do them at some other time. Now, if we look at the divide questions here, for example, question number 2 is a divide question. So what we have to do, we have to divide these two fractions, but before, it's very simple. Before you divide, you need to know that, again, we do not need to make the denominators the same. This is very much similar to the multiplying it, but what we have to do, the different thing is, we copy the first one, 1 over 6 as normal. Then change this divide sign into times. And this is 8 over 11, so it will become 11 over 8. Right? So now we times 11 with 1, so it's 11 over 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. And that's it. This is the answer. Here in question number 7, it's 11 over 2. We'll keep it same. Then remember, change this divide sign into times. And when we change it, this 1 over 2 will be flipped over. It will become 2 over 1. Right? So when we work them out, so 11 times 2 is 22 over 2 times 1 is 2. Now you see 22 and 2, they both go on 2's timetable. So we cannot leave this answer like this. We have to simplify it. So they both go on 2's timetable. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 1 is 2. So it's 11. So your final answer will be 11. Now if we talk about this one, which is question number 12, obviously it's half divided by half. So what we do, we write 1 over 2, change the divide sign into times, and then we can do it 2 over 1. Then 2 times 1 is 2 over 2. So your final answer will be 1. That's it. So that's how we do it. It's very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video. What I will recommend you, there are a few questions for you to try at the bottom. I will highly recommend you to try them so you can you can become expert in this, right? So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.